After holding its gymnastics classes online the past few months, the Learn and Train Sports Academy is all set to open a new gym for its gymnasts. And now joining us to go all out on this story is Ms. Sid Castro Tayag. She is the managing director of the LTSA. Ms. Sid, good morning. Welcome to CNN Philippines here on Sports Desk, ma'am.
Good morning, Andre. Thanks so much for having me over.
Thank you.
I'm so excited to talk about LTSA and gymnastics in general.
Likewise, I am really also thrilled and at the same time intrigued. First of all, Ms. Sid, tell us more about the LTSA and how did it all start? Why did you open it? I know we're in the middle of a pandemic, but it's a great idea. Yeah, well, why did you come up with it and how did it all, start?
Well, first of all, I'm a gymnastics mom. So I found myself with a daughter who suddenly couldn't go to the gym, and there weren't any online offerings at that time when the pandemic started. So I decided, why not try to put something together? So I got a group of coaches together, some parents, and we started this online session. And then it was really good because we made sure that the program was good, that the kids were developing. We had fundamentals classes, which is recreational. We had a competitive track, which is for those who aspire to be in the Philippine team. We had Pilates for gymnasts, yoga classes. We just made it very interesting because, after a while, online classes can be quite boring, right? So we decided, why not take the next step? A bit crazy in the middle of the pandemic, but I really believe in this sport. I think it's a great sport to start out. It's a great takeoff sport for basketball, volleyball, taekwondo, you name it. This is a great sport to start. So we found a facility in Makati. There are no full gyms in Makati, so we said, why not? Why not put up a gym? So we really invested to make this gym really, world class. We put a pit. We hired people, engineers to make sure everything is safe. We got a foreign coach to run our program. So we're all set to go and we're excited to welcome everyone. Even you, Andre, we're going to have adult gymnastics. I hope to see you at the gym.
Yeah, I just have to stretch my back, stretch my limbs.
Oh, we can help with that.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the footage we have right now. See, ang ganda, ang galing talaga. And Ms. Sid, like many schools, diba, and sports clinics during this pandemic, you've also been holding classes online. It's the way to go. That's why may Zoom and this and that, mga video call. How have they been so far?
Very challenging because a lot of, especially for the more advanced kids, they do things that need a coach to be spotting them. So one of the challenges we had was to make sure that they still develop properly, but at the same time, they stayed safe in their environment because we didn't want any of these kids to be injured.
Of course.
And it was also very challenging to have beginners because they don't know the fundamentals yet. So we really took the time to make sure we teach them properly. All our coaches are former gymnasts and coaches who have many, many years of experience. I think collectively, our coaches have probably 50 years of experience collectively.
Wow.
So they really know how to do this thing properly. They know how to do it step by step so that no one gets injured. And, we're not rushing anything. We just wanted to keep the kids safe. And again, the most challenging is to keep it interesting. So we'd have games. Competition is not allowed. So what we did is we'd have assessments. Just so that they kind of compete with themselves so it's not boring. So as you can see, that's our dance class on screen now.
Yes.
So, the kids really love that and enjoy that. Then we have our competitive track there doing some conditioning.
Yeah.
And fundamentals is our recreational for just people who just want to learn how to tumble, but not necessarily want to compete.
Yes. And I'm one of those people. I'm going to really try it out, and hopefully I don't injure myself. You did mention earlier, Ms. Sid, that it's a new gym. We're also showing some, some foot. There it is. What's in there? What can we expect when we go to the gym? When the students come, it looks spacious. It looks really nice.
It's almost 700 square meters.
Wow.
So we have complete equipment. We have a complete floor.
Okay.
That's if you're familiar with Kaloy Yulo.
Of course.
Floor exercise exercise is
Of
what he
course.
excelled in. So we have a
Yes.
floor
Wow.
vault where he is the current world champion. We have a vault also. And what you see now on the screen, that's actually more of a training apparatus. It's the uneven bars, but we have that like 4.5 foot foam pit for safety. So when the gymnasts practice all their more complicated moves, they
Yes.
feel safe, and they don't injure themselves by landing on something hard.
Yeah.
So that's it's a training facility where we hope to develop world-class gymnasts, and we also hope to really open up the sport to everyone. So right now, actually, we have a scholarship program. We have one scholar
Nice.
currently since we were just online, but once we're open, we hope to open up the scholarship program to more kids,
Mm-hmm.
because the challenge with gymnastics is that the equipment is quite expensive and you
Yeah.
need a lot of space.
Yeah.
So we have so many talented kids from the provinces and from different areas, but they don't have complete equipment. They don't have the bars.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have floor. So we're opening up our gym to scholars who would want to come and train with us and our coaches, because I think that we really, really are. We have the potential to be the champions in gymnastics. The
course.
build of the Filipino, our discipline, our mental attitude. We really, really have what it takes, as we can see with Kaloy.
Kaloy.
He's a world champion.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
That's right.
We
Yeah.
just need to give we just need to give everyone the opportunity. So I'm hoping with this gym, people will see that it's a fun sport and it's something that Filipinos can excel in.
I agree.
And
Yeah.
I'm going to open our gym up to everybody.
And once the gym opens, what courses will you offer? And like, who can take these courses? Kumbaga, are there any age restrictions, age brackets?
No, it's open to everyone.
Nice. That's good. Yeah.
We have the competitive track, like I said. So that one would be for those who want to compete internationally and maybe be on the Philippine team. We have our recreational track, which we call fundamentals.
Yes.
For those who just want to learn how to tumble, we have
Tumble,
adult
like-
gymnastics. And Andre, I'm going to reserve a slot for you.
Okay. Okay.
And we also have rhythmic gymnastics.
Okay.
Which is the one with the ribbon. And we
Yes.
actually have two very talented gymnasts now from rhythmic gymnastics who will be competing in the SEA Games. And we should watch out for them too.
And if our viewers have more inquiries and are interested in applying, joining the classes, and they want to contact you, please invite them. How can they get a hold of you, Ms. Sid?
Sure. I'm inviting everyone to please come and check out Learn and Train Sports Academy. You can find us on Facebook at Learn and Train Sports Academy, and on Instagram. You can send us DMs to those, or you can also check out our website, www.learnandtrainsports.com. All the information is there, and I really hope to see everyone soon.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sid. I'm actually just messaging Rhea now, thanking her that she connected us, and we have you here on the show. Maraming salamat, Ms. Sid. This is really, really great. The Learn and Train Sports Academy. Produce more Carlos Yulo.
I hope we do. I really hope we do. I mean, not just Carlos Yulo. I mean, there's so many
Yes,
talented
of
kids
course.
out there.
Of course.
And I hope to give the opportunity to train with us and, make our gym available to them through our scholarship program.
Stay safe always. Best of luck. Thank you again, Ms. Sid Castro
So much,
Tayag,
Andre.
Managing Director of the Learn and Train Sports Academy, or LTSA.